Hey everybody, Frank and Carrie.
Hey, welcome back.
Coming to you from a snowy Mooreland House day.
And cold.
Carrie, why does your teeth glitter?
Because I got braces.
Again?
Again, yes.
Oh, I'm pretty dirty from
From working in
working,
the basement?
but
yeah.
That happens. But we're just here in a nice snowy winter day.
Yes.
Thought we'd bring another video, believe it or not. So we braved the cold and did the video.
Right.
And we're excited that you guys are here.
We're very happy that you stopped by, and we appreciate you watching.
Oh, I guess I didn't get the Mooreland House in there very well. For those that are curious, they've asked questions. We named it the Mooreland House. It's because it was Mooreland House Farm.
Right.
And then the farm's gone. And originally it was Mooreland House Farm. So we named it Mooreland House when we got it. It was named Ashfeld Manor from the mid-80s till we got it.
Right.
And the reason it's called Harrodsburg Castle is because it's in Harrodsburg and they consider it their castle.
They do.
So it's really Harrodsburg's castle.
Because of the tower.
It's, yeah. So, in case people were wondering what that was all about, why it has so many names and why we call it different things, and now you know.
Now you know.
If you have anything to say, just let us know in the comments. We answer every single one of them.
We try to, any questions that you have.
All right.
Thanks. Hey, baby. What are you doing?
Smoking.
You're smoking? Well, you're smoking hot. I know that.
Oh, I'm glad I wrote that one for you, baby. You delivered it perfect.
Oh, well, very good.
Well,
Where are we at?
we gave up on the stairs for a little bit because it's cold
Yeah.
and it's winter
Yes.
and it's the Mooreland House
And she's
or
freezing.
the Harrodsburg Castle.
Yes.
Harrodsburg's castle.
Yes.
So why not play around in the basement? It's, believe it or not, it's the warmest place in the house.
Don't worry. We have masks.
Yes, we have masks. We're going to clean up. Well, first, we need to get rid of this beast somehow. This, at one time, was a boiler. But I don't think it's boiled anything for, well, I'd say 20 years. And it was old then.
Right.
So we have tried a couple things. I tried putting a metal cutting blade on my trusty rock saw.
And how did that go?
No.
It threw lots of pretty sparks.
Yeah. So that's out.
Okay.
And I've been trying with my big pipe cutter.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, but there's just not enough room to get all the way around on any of it, so that didn't quite work.
Okay.
So we have, should I say, given up on, I always keep trying new things over and over and over
Right.
and over.
What?
I try it for a little bit and then,
What metal is that? Is that cast iron?
no, it's just, I don't even know if it's galvanized. It's probably galvanized steel pipe.
Okay. And this is what...
The corners are galvanized, cast iron.
Okay. And these went to all the radiators, which
Yeah.
most are non-existent.
Well, none are working.
Well, no, none are
And none of
working.
them would be able to accept water.
No. No.
But I would say we have most of the radiators. A few are missing, but
Yeah.
this is not ever going to work again.
No.
All these pipes are not going to work again. We just have to get rid of them.
Right.
But Evidently not today, because I got to go back to the drawing board. I've tried, well, we could do it with Sawzall or the grinder. I've cut through quite a few of them.
Right.
But I just looking for easy.
Baby, baby, there is nothing easy about this house.
Oh, some things have been easy.
Like...
Thinking. But, so, in lieu of, since that's not going to be happening right now, I figured we'd finish getting the plaster out of this room. This is the last plaster. I guess it's really just sand.
Yeah.
This is the last sand room.
I did pick up the lath out of here, most of the lath at one point in time. I just didn't get to the lath.
But look how many burners are on that thing. That probably cost quite a bit to run. It heated up a lot of water.
Yeah, it did.
But it won't ever again.
No. No. It is kind of cool looking at all the handles and all the thermometers. There's 4 on this side, and there are 4 on this side. That thermometer for this one is missing. They don't make heaters like this anymore.
Yeah, they do.
Do they?
I mean,
Boilers? I guess
Yeah.
that's what it was.
it's just a boiler.
Mm.
It doesn't look like this because I bet it's a lot more efficient.
Right, right.
Alrighty.
Okay, well,
Looks like we get to begin the journey.
all right. How goes it, babe?
Oh, just having the time of our lives.
Yeah.
I'm not going to take off my mask to talk to you because it's, I guess it's not real dusty.
No.
Because this is kind of damp.
Yeah. You're smoking through your
I
mask.
had to take my glasses off. They fogged up pretty quick.
Yeah, they did. So you can kind of see where it's a little damp down here, where water seeps in. Water seeps in through the foundation. But there's a downspout right outside this window. So it's just one of those things that we still have to deal with. But we're making some good progress. Yep. It's a little cloudy in here, but we've made some pretty good progress. Getting most of the debris off the floor. And the chariot has returned. We just have that little bit left. But it's always nice to see it clean. Okay. We got it as good as we're going to get it. For now. We didn't move the glass out of the way.
It's 1/4-inch glass and big. I didn't want to break it. It wouldn't take much, I don't think.
There's all sorts of different sizes. Oh, that's decorative glass.
Yeah. I don't know where that goes.
Yeah, all of that is. I do wonder where that goes. Have no idea. But This gives you a good idea of what it looks like. Do it again, do it again.
No, I can't.
So, all right. All cleaned up. Now we just get to contemplate some more. Okay. Well, look at that, everybody. It's snowing. I don't think it's been a while, I guess, since we showed Miss Mooreland in the snow. But that gives you an idea of what I'm looking at. We're supposed to get another 3 inches tonight, so that's exciting. I love snow. So just beautiful. And there she is. The big beautiful deer. She's mighty cold, but she looks beautiful to me. We have lots of bunny tracks and cat tracks and squirrel tracks running around on this little snow that we do have. So we're still working on filling in our trench. We got as far as the coffee bean tree. We've been filling it up a little bit at a time as we go. Still lots of black walnuts running around. Just so pretty out here. And we still have the noise of the road, but it's still peaceful out here. It snows after working in the basement. It's nice to come out here and just take a good look at her, see how she's doing. It's been really cold, just like it's been in several other places, so we don't necessarily come down and work on her when it's bitter. She lost that branch, but she's still hanging in there. Some more bunny tracks. There's a view of the kitchen and the back porch, and of course the camper, tenant house. Another look. We've got stuff stored all over the place. There's Bertha, and we've been taking this right here for fill and putting that in the trench like we said. And there's of course Jeannie, and another shot of the back of the house. Looks a little different in the snow. Little birdie tracks and squirrels. I know.
Have they ever seen it snow at the Mooreland House?
I don't think so. They've only seen it being snowed on, but she looks awfully pretty in the snow. Hey baby, what you got?
Well, this is a glass cutter.
Wow, that's a big glass cutter.
Well, we've got some big glass.
Yes, we do.
So we went and bought it from a gentleman who used to make windows. He was a historic window restoration guy. Do you remember his name?
Not
he's retired.
Right.
But he used it quite a few times. He showed us how to work it. Now we just got to figure out a wall to mount it on. I can't do it right now, but it goes like this. You put the glass in there and then run this up and down. And that scores the glass and you
Cool.
just break it like crazy.
That's another good find.
We've been trying to score the glass with just the glass scorer thing. And it works.
Yeah.
But when we're using the big ones, I mean, some of our windows are, some of the,
For example, that
Like
one
that
right
one.
there. Yeah.
I mean, that's over 4 feet tall. Just the sash
Right.
is over 4 feet tall and over 5 feet wide.
Some people may not know what the sash is.
That's a sash.
The wood
Each
around.
separate window pane is a sash.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So that big, look, it's a double hung window,
Right.
so there's 2 sashes in it.
Okay.
Not sasses. Sashes.
Sashes.
So, let's, do we have any windows? Let's go look at a big window in there.
Okay. Okay, we're off to the dining room.
See, I don't think this is the biggest window, but this is 4 feet 3 inches wide and 4 feet 2 inches tall. But this is from the music room.
And we got a walnut.
Yeah, that's the one we showed them before.
And that one's from the music room.
But you just can't. It's hard to cut that in one swoop with
Right.
a handheld thingy-mabobber.
Yeah. A scorer. So
Well,
that
if it's going to give me a score, it'd be pretty good. I do have to say so.
you do have to say so. Well, that very
But
good.
so what you're asking, this is considered a sash.
Okay, that right there is the sash.
A sash.
what do
There's
you-
2 of them for double hung windows.
Right. What do they consider this? The frame?
Well, yeah, this is the frame.
The frame and then
And
the
this is the glass.
which is the sash.
No. The whole thing together
Is the sash.
is the sash.
Oh, okay.
So you didn't know. Okay, I didn't know that you didn't know. All this together is the sash.
Okay.
The glass is considered the glass. The frame is the frame, I guess.
But all together, there's
It's a
sash. You learn something new every day.
Oh, I do. Thankfully, I'm done for the day because I learned one thing. I learned that it snows.
Yes. It's snowing. Okay. What are you girls doing? Are you sitting in my spot on the couch? Are you sitting in my spot on the couch? You normally don't sit together. That's so sweet. Is it 'cause it's cold? You silly girls. You're good girls.